Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village. We're going to be talking about crock pot cooking with garlic beef. First, you're going to need a beef roast, about 5 to 6 pounds, thinly sliced. Go ahead and just drop that in there. This is a 5-quart crock pot that we're going to be using today. I'm just going to go ahead and drop all that in there. After that, you're going to need about 5 to 6, maybe 8 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. You can do a little bit thinner than that, but I like them really thick. Get that good garlic taste in there. Let's go ahead and throw that on there. After that, we're going to need 1 cup of water. Just one, don't go any more, no less. You need the proper flavor. Just go ahead and put that in there. All right. All right, and then we're going to use a 4th cup of mustard. It's a very simple recipe. The mustard brings out the taste of the garlic and melds it all together. So you go ahead and put that mustard in there. All right, we got the mustard. All right, and then you can use salt and pepper to taste, but what I like to do is I like kosher salt. I love the rough texture of it. It comes out very nicely. It gives it a certain aesthetic value on the meat, and it also brings it together, and it's always good to have kosher in your meal. All right, just a little bit more there. Okay, that's enough salt. And I like using just ground black pepper. I don't like peppercorns. I like the smooth, fine taste of it. And we'll just throw that right in there. Okay. Okay, that's enough pepper. All right, and then you just throw your lid on there. You set your timer. You want to keep it on low. Come back in about 5 to 6 hours just to check on it. If you don't have that time, that's fine. Just go ahead and let it sit for about 8 hours. Come back, and that's your garlic beef.